Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be changing the battery on an Audi A4 B7 key fob. So let's get into it. First, grab your flathead screwdriver, then just lift it up here. So put it underneath there. So that should unlock. It'll pop open. There you go. So that's popped open. So here, the cover has your battery in it. So you might need a screwdriver to take it out, or you might just come out. And then you get your new one.
What brand are you using for that?
Panasonic. Yeah, Panasonic. So you got the new battery. So guys, you got your new battery, and then you pop it on the key here, and then you get the cover again, and then pop it back on. So you just press it down. So there you go. Just push out all the corners down, make sure it's in properly. There you go. So that's how you change your key on the Audi A4 B7. So guys, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. So see you in the next one guys. Bye.